show time. Once again, pay attention. This is what I do on vacation.
Hey.
Look at this. Look at this.
Yep, and this is what I do on my day off. Family. Family.
See, kids, when you don't floss and you don't brush, this is what happens.
Is there any more champagne? Where is the waitress?
Although, doing dentistry, you should not drink, much like drinking and driving. Okay, you shouldn't drink and operate picks and other types of instrumental things. Watch this.
Yeah, next time you go and see Jeannie, show her that. She'll get a kick out of that one.
What do you think of that? Peace out.